Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your account and app version so features behave predictably. Open Calendar, pick an existing event or tap Meet Now to start immediately. This gives you control over lobby and entry. Once done, invite attendees, attach the agenda and key files so everyone prepares for the goals. Make sure to choose channel versus private meeting based on visibility, because channel meetings store chat and recordings differently and that affects follow-up. You should test mic, speakers, and camera immediately. A quick check prevents delays. Then configure camera effects like background blur and select the correct input and output devices so audio remains clear. When sharing, decide between screen, window, or PowerPoint Live to control what participants see. PowerPoint Live preserves private notes and enables slide control. Also assign presenters or attendees to control who can share and record, because role settings prevent you run the meeting by moderating chat, reactions, and using raise hand to keep flow orderly. Start recording and live captions when appropriate, and always announce recording for compliance and transparency. Use breakout rooms for focused work and rejoin participants for syntheses. At the end, stop recording, end the meeting for all, and upload the recording plus a concise recap with assigned action items. If participants report no audio, advise them to reselect audio device, join via phones, or restart the app as
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.